Hi, it's good to have you back, Tony and Daniel from Microsoft Netherlands.
Yes.
And this is your, what, third
Third
day?
time in Sweden, I think.
Yeah.
Or fourth
Okay.
time, yes.
No, we've fourth time.
Fourth time.
DreamHack, we've been to DreamHack once.
DreamHack
Yeah.
in Jönköping.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was not too technical.
No, that was more gaming,
Yes.
right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, I know that you're also known as Hyper T and Hyper D, Mr. You are more into the hyper word than the technology word, right?
Well, we try to combine both of them. So we try to, I mean, technology, lots of people think that is boring. Of course, not the people that come over here. They love technology. But nevertheless, we try to deliver the message in a different way. And some people say that's hyperactive, the way we present.
I've seen you on stage, so I can tend to agree with that. But Tony, what do you say? The cloud theme that we have here in Örebro, how do you express your pretty deep technology that you are presenting into cloud technology, and how do you convince your audience that this is going to work and there will be no security issues?
Well, yeah, so one of the things we are talking about is the Windows Intune session, which is all about the cloud service, basically. And I think, yeah, more than ever, the cloud is really about, it's all happening, and it's really getting more and more, the products are getting there, the services are getting there, it's getting more and more real every day, in my opinion. So it's of course a challenge, like, you know, how does that affect my work, how can I leverage the services, what to leverage, not to leverage. So I think, yeah, it's a good thing we do this event so we can really explain to people, you know, what it is. Yeah.
So what do you say when you talk to customer? What type of, is there a type of customer that are more into getting their technology up in the clouds, or what is your experience?
Yes, of course. So basically what we're saying is, it's not like with the cloud your troubles will go away. It's maybe you add complexity, or it's the paradox of getting more choices. So in the past you had the discussion about terminal server or VDI, you get thin clients, thick clients, you had virtualization, you can choose, do you want to virtualize your workloads, do you want to virtualize your whole operating system, and now you have more choices. You can go into the cloud, so you can say like, oh, I don't want to have this infrastructure on my on-premise in my responsibility. I want to have that with Microsoft, for instance, so I can focus on the other stuff that's important for the customers that I'm leveraging. But it depends on the customer, it depends on the workload, so you have more choices in our opinion.
Yeah.
Interesting that you mentioned that, because that's my experience too, that some customers think that the cloud services, they will solve their old problems that they have. So they start up fresh and they say, oh, okay, I just quit my old infrastructure and I go in the cloud and I have it all fresh. But you say that it won't go away, it's still there, right?
Sure, and it won't be something that you cannot say today, like every investment we made, every application we have, just leave it and let it die and move everything to the cloud. You know, there's a transition, and it's not going to go over in 1 day or 1 year or 1 week. It's going to take like a lot of time.
Yeah.
And how can we support customer in that transition?
Well, I think if you look at the different cloud providers that are out there, I think they all have good solutions. I think what Microsoft has in a change, in a difference, is that we are from on-premise, private cloud, public cloud, and Azure for the developers as well. So we have the whole stack, and also we do management on the whole stack. I think we have a more broader base. And that way it makes it easier for customers to have transitions from one phase to another, or to choose like how they want to use it. And I think that's a challenging message for us to deliver, to explain to them like, you have all these options and we can help you choose. But it's not like your trouble will go away, like the snow in the spring. It's snowing at the moment, so you still need to work. You still need to think about managing and securing your cloud or your infrastructure in a way. And the good thing is that you have sessions over here by different speakers on how to secure your workloads, how to secure your identity with your on-premise and in the cloud.
Work with identities, which is a totally different story, of course.
And what are you going to talk about your sessions today?
Yeah, so we have 2 sessions. The first session is going to be about Windows Intune, the new service that was released this month.
This month,
where you're going to manage and maintain your desktops. You want to add something to that?
Is it app locker, BitLocker technologies, or no?
No, it's basically from within the cloud, you're managing your clients in an easy way. So you don't need an infrastructure to do your management of your machine. So you can patch them, you can check what applications are running on that, and you can have like a remote assistance, for instance. So that's basically like an easy, all over the world, usable management solution for your clients.
Without the big infrastructure investments that you have to make, just using a cloud service.
Yeah, so it's confusing because it's basically software as a service, but it's management software that you have as a service.
And the next session you take?
The next session we're going to do is Windows Server 2008 R2 and Windows 7 Demo Mania.
Yes,
so we have five slides, you know.
And then it's demo.
Yeah, we try to do like 12 demos in an hour, something like that. So and there we will cover app locker, BitLocker, branch cache, direct access.
We do new stuff of Service Pack 1, the dynamic memory functionality for Hyper-V and Remotivix.
And you guys can really make a show out of it, right?
Well, we just have a lot of fun on stage, basically.
Yeah, that's it.
And I think that really resonates with the audience because they like to see the stuff instead of like having PowerPoint. We love to show the stuff. And for us, it's really easy to, you know, have fun together with the session. Yeah.
Because you've been working long together for a pretty long time. 6 years?
Yes.
Yeah. That's cool.
But
you never get bored of each other?
Of course, we hate each other. We're like a married couple.
Why do you say that?
He has to do my tie, and I have to do his hair. Yeah, of course. Yeah, we work. I mean, we work so much together. But we're close friends, of course, in private life as well. Otherwise, you cannot deliver sessions in this way we do it.
Because when I see you guys on stage, you are so tight, and you clinch, and you really.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I think you're great. Are you staying for the party tonight?
Absolutely.
Of course.
You know that the Swedish rapper. I know you are a hip hop dancer, right? Yeah. So Petter, he's one of our famous rappers.
Okay, oh, cool.
He's going to rap in Swedish then?
Yeah, probably. That's what he do.
So we have to dance in Swedish too.
You dance in Swedish then. Okay.
Well, as long as he's got a good beat, we get it down.
Yeah, I guess you can work it out.
The bling.
Here's the bling. Yes, and we're happy, of course, that then the sessions are done. We're flying out tomorrow already, so that's unfortunately. So
Finland.
Going to Finland. Going to the next stop. Yes. So yeah, it's like a Scandinavian tour we do.
Yeah, you're like rock stars. You go all over the world.
Well, thank you if you say so.
Tony and Danny, it was so great to talk to you again, and good luck in your sessions, and hopefully see you tonight at the stage then.
Yes, thank you so much, Anna.
Thank you. Bye.